Guys, it's Sian and I'm back with another video. So today I'm showing you guys how I do my slick back ponytail. So right now, or this one is a middle part, and so right now I'm just sectioning off my hair and I'm making sure I get those parts really straight. So I'm just gonna let that explain for itself because that's what I'm doing. So I'm just getting the parts really straight. So now I'm just pulling out my edges, and I wanted big edges, like I want to get creative on my edges. I think I still went with my normal go-to edges, but I wanted to try something different, and so I just sectioned out my edges before I did anything. Okay, so I was feeling a little cute right here or whatever. So yeah, I took some eco gel for my edges. I used some eco gel for my edges, and this was me trying to do something different with my edges. So just watch that process. I think I changed it in the end, but just watch the process of what I had in my head. Okay, so I just used a little bit of eco gel and I put it on the back part of my hair because my real hair is naturally curly. So if I use too much, I flat iron my hair for the hairstyle, so if I use too much, it would have curled back up. So I use a little bit to help slick down the back part of my hair for the slick back. Okay, so now I'm using spritz to help slick down the back of my hair too. I was being lazy and I didn't get up and blow dry my hair, so it was a lot harder to work with. I would suggest for you to use the blow dryer. Like, spray your hair down with the spritz, mold it, brush it down, get it flat, and then blow dry it, because that'll make the process way easier than keep on going over it. So yeah, just use your flat, or not flat iron, your blow dryer if you have one. The way I did it was the lazy way, and it took way longer. So don't be lazy, because then it ended up taking longer anyways. So just go use the blow dryer. So this is just me slicking it down and getting that part as flat as I can. Okay, so first, please don't mind the ugly faces I was making. That's just my process. But I'm tying the back up now with 2 small rubber bands. I would suggest you use small rubber bands because it'll just make it look sleeker, not as big and bulky if you use the bigger rubber bands. The bigger rubber bands, I have a better hold though, for sure. But I use the small rubber bands because my hair isn't that, thick. So now I'm trying to tie it up and let it, sit while I just pulled it off. It didn't do nothing. So I pulled it out, and I'm going to make it tighter because it wasn't as tight as I wanted it. So I'm just trying to get that as tight as I can, and then I'm going to start working on the 2 parts. Now I'm working on the 2 parts, and I just got that as sleek as I could and just as flat as I could, and I did the same thing to both sides, and I used spritz for the 2 parts. Okay, so this is me going back to my go-to edges that I always do. I just felt that it looked better with the hairstyle, so this is me switching my edges and changing it to what I always do. Okay, so I took out my rubber band so that I can get everything in the ponytail now, the whole, or all of my hair in the ponytail. So I just slicked everything down with the brush, got everything in there, tried to make the ponytail as tight as I could. this is just me touching up everything. I'm a perfectionist, so the video is getting ready to end soon. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share it to your mama, your daddy, your auntie, your uncle. All of that good stuff. Repost, reshare. Can you guys please tell me what you want to see in the comments so I can know what kind of content to post. I really want to be a hair influencer, so I'm gonna start making a lot of videos like these probably, and try and get noticed. I really want to do hair a lot. I love doing my hair. It's like a peace of mind. So just give me some video ideas and I'll get that content out for you guys. Thank you guys for watching.